Hi guys, I just want to show you how beautiful those mountains are in California, what we live in, and hard to believe what less than 2 years ago, all that what you see green now, it was turned to 8 inches thick, 6 to 8 inches thick ash. We lived through holy fire, and my goodness, it was hard to believe, even for me who remembers those days. It's hard to believe. No, well, that's what I want to tell you about this virus going on. It's invisible, but it's there. Even for us who see the trouble before, it's hard to believe what was before. And now, just yesterday, I got to shop, intend to shop, and nobody wearing masks. I see people almost the same traffic on the roads, and that's why I'm making another video, because people are still in denial. People still do not understand what's going on out over there. And again, it's a human nature to look and hope for better, but it's out there. It's a killer out over there, and we have to be much more cautious. I do what I can with my videos to bring everybody's attention to it. What I handle right now in my hands, it's a filter to respirator, which is provide the protection for N95 mask, what we're talking about. And what's inside, it's just a piece of polyester filter. And right now, to this short video, I'm attaching another one, which is telling you exactly how to come up with same filter, practically provide your N95 mask protection, and washable, totally washable, and be protected. And probably now, when you just go into store, you don't have to put filter in. But when you're around some sick people, anybody start coughing in your household, or you visit somebody in a hospital already, you have to have that filter. 95% mean only 95% of air coming to your nose will be filtrated, but it's good enough to keep that virus out, and especially when you're sterilizing. And thank you, and I'm attaching another video right to this one. Hi guys again, and as you can see, I have my little mask making production going on right here. And well, why we need so many of them? Each one need at least 3 of them. One is sterilizing, which is I explained to you in different video the ways of sterilizing masks. Every time it's used outside, you're wearing that, it's catch that virus if you go into work, to stores, just for that reason. And it's just not safe to bring it and drop it home and lay it, make it freely laying at home, waiting until you next time going outside, because once it's out, virus is on it. No, well, that's why it has to be sterilized after every use practically. And how to use it, I already posted a separate video about it. Please go over there and check it. But everyone need 3, because one you wearing, one is sterilizing, and one is extra one just in case. And well, please, this is my best mask what I come up with, pattern with that, and I love it so much because it does have that bendable wire to go around your nose. What no air will get to it, no poison air will get to it this way. And it don't have it's have pocket for filters, which is that's my video about filter, how to get filter very fast and make it cleanable as well. And it's have very little lean against chin, because it's a little pleat there. And on the top of it, it don't have this annoying things going around ears, because those ones never stay on small ears, especially like ladies' ears or kids' ears. They keep falling. And this one particularly, that's going behind your neck, and this one going behind your back, head, more close to the top. And when you sterilize it, elastic got stretched, and this can be tied up and regulated. Knot is out right here. No, well, and I just want to tell you what any mask only is good. And I also have 2 videos, by the way. I really try to cover everybody to get to my videos. Those people who don't sew, I have 2 different masks, which is no sewing whatsoever. Just find those 2 videos. And those filters, what I'm talking right now about filters, you can put in those no sewing masks as well. 2 types, what I already described. And well, what we can use for filter? Of course, my good filters, which is scientific filters, they're still on the way, they're still in the mail. Now I will show to you, because in the meantime, while I'm waiting to make that video and waiting for my filters to arrive in the mail, I have to use something. I have to go to store right now. I need to use this mask. No, well, what kind of filter? Any mask only as good as filter inside. And well, here we are. You have old coat. Old coat, just rip it out, and what you will find inside, this kind of padding. and you can just cut a piece of it. This kind of padding, that's your filter, that's your fast filter. And you just stuck right here inside this mask, like I did. And when you sterilize, you probably don't need to sterilize filter every time, but mask definitely you need to sterilize every time after use. It's easy to pull up filter, sterilize mask, and put the same filter in another mask which is clean waiting for you, and maybe for one more time. A filter at least you can use once, twice. Mask, I really, anybody who out over there still think I'm crazy, my family and my friends, well, in 1 week, it will not be sound to you too crazy anymore. In 2 weeks, definitely. I believe in about, today is March 23rd, and I believe in about 3-4 weeks we will, in US here, we will hit a peak of this. And, well, please get busy with that now. Thank you, guys. And subscribe, don't forget to subscribe on channel, because, in that case, you'll be notified of videos coming. I'm still waiting for filters, and will be one more video on this topic about masks, which filter is better and which filter is the best. Okay, guys, thank you for your time. Hi, guys, again.